In Excel, the average is calculated using the average function, which sums a range of values and divides by the count of those values. Advantages include simplifying data analysis, identifying trends, and providing insights into overall performance. It helps summarize large datasets, making it easier to interpret and compare values effectively. This formula calculates the average of values in a range based on a condition. It examines M6 to M9 for a criterion defined in Q15. Only the corresponding values in N6 to N9 that meet this condition are included in the average. This is useful for selectively analyzing data, allowing you to focus on subsets that meet your criteria. If you change the product name in cell Q15 from product B to product C, the formula will calculate 120 divided by 1, as there is only one instance of product C. This formula calculates the average of values in N6, N7, and N9 by summing them and dividing by 3, providing a simple way to find the central value. This formula finds the average by considering the values in 3 specific cells, N6, N7, and N9. It first sums the values in these cells and then divides the total by 3 to get the mean. The result helps in comparing these selected entries to gauge their overall performance or trend.